In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and manage.wix.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from a quick Google search to your Wix dashboard, open your site in the editor, and access the Google Reviews option so you can showcase customer feedback right on your pages. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Wix and press Enter. You should see the official Wix result at the top. Always make sure the link points to the wix.com domain so you know you're going to the legitimate website. If you see ads or sponsored results above the main listing, it's fine to scroll past them and choose the primary Wix result for a clean, predictable experience. Click the result labeled Wix.com, Website Builder. Create a free website in minutes. This takes you to Wix's home base. From here, you may be brought straight to your account if you're already signed in. If not, the site will guide you to your dashboard once you continue. The dashboard is where you'll find all of your projects and the tools you'll use to work on them. Inside the dashboard, look for the option that opens your site design workspace. You'll see a button labeled Design Site. Click that, and Wix will load the visual editor. Give it a moment to open fully as the editor loads your site's content, styles, and all the tools down the left-hand toolbar. If you manage more than one project, be sure you're in the correct site before you proceed. Once the editor is open, focus your attention on the left side panel. You'll see a plus icon that represents the Add menu. Click the Add button to reveal a panel of elements and features you can place on your pages. This is where Wix keeps everything from text and images to advanced widgets. If the panel feels overwhelming at first glance, don't worry. Each category is clearly labeled, and you can search if needed. Within the Add menu, locate the option for Google Reviews. Click Google Reviews to proceed. This is the feature that lets you bring authentic customer feedback from Google onto your site, helping build trust and social proof. After you click it, Wix will prepare the element so you can place it on your page. From here, you'll be able to fine-tune its placement and appearance later, keeping your design consistent with your brand. If you're prompted to connect or authorize a source for reviews, follow the on-screen guidance and only use your own business details. That's it. You searched for Wix, entered through the official site, opened your project with Design Site, used the Add menu, and selected Google Reviews. You're now set to display real customer experiences directly on your website.